the sky is gray and the rain comes down, we put on our boots and splash around the town. Puddles are our playground. Splish, splash, splish, splash. Rain boots on our feet, we have a real blast. Rain boots, jumping in the rain, splishing and splashing, we don't feel any pain. Rain boots, colors bright and bold, we love to play in puddles, whether warm or cold. Yellow, red, and blue boots, each a lovely pair. We march through the puddles without a single care. Muddy fun and laughter, giggles in the air. Rain boots make us happy, there's joy everywhere. Rain boots, jumping in the rain, splishing and splashing, we don't feel any pain. Rain boots, colors bright and bold, we love to play in puddles, whether warm or cold. Raindrops fall and pitter-patter on the ground, in our trusty rain boots, fun is always found. Come and join us everyone, let's go and play in our wonderful rain boots, it's a rainy day. Rain boots, jumping in the rain, splishing and splashing, we don't feel any pain. Rain boots, colors bright and bold, we love to play in puddles, whether warm or cold. So when you see the raindrops, don't you run away. Put on your rain boots and come outside to play. Rain boots, we'll sing and dance around. In our lovely rain boots, happiness is found.
Thank you for watching my channel kuttis. Video பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க. மறக்காம நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. Bye.